Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. As part of Automation Anywhere A360 tutorials, we are going to learn A360 commands. Okay, so we have already covered few topics. We are in files package now. So let's try to complete the files package. So we have already discussed a few scenarios like how to handle these files scenarios in the real-time scenarios, like by using if file exists or not, if file does not exist options, and wildcards to handle the dynamic file names or multiple file names. We can handle by using the wildcards. Either you can handle the dynamic file name by using wildcard, or you can also handle multiple files by using wildcard, or you can also handle different extensions by using the wildcards. And also you can override if the word file or record is not required. You can also override. So these features already we have covered in the earlier session. Please go through those videos and let me know if you face any issues. Okay, so let me try to delete this existing code and let me go to file package. Let me go to open file path. Let's suppose I want to open a file. So what you'll do, you'll just select any one of the file to open. Let me select a interview questions file and let's click on save. So, but as we discussed, whenever if you are trying to handle a file, first of all, you need to check whether that file is exist or not. If the file exists, then only you need to perform that actions. Otherwise, you don't need to perform that action. So let me try to open this file now. The file is available, then definitely that file is going to open now. Let's suppose tomorrow business or end user is going to update the file name with the different naming conventions, then you'll get an error to use a wildcard or no, if condition. We will try the way. See, if you see, the file is opening now. In time, let it run, and by the time the file is still opening, let it open. Uh, and what we do? Let's go to documents and a question. So let's suppose end user has updated this file name as interview questions 2. He has included interview questions 2. So now I'll try to open this file. See, the file is opening, right? Because of that reason I'm unable to update the name. So let me close this file. Okay, so let me close this file, and here I'll rename the file as interview questions 2. Now I'll to execute the same code. These scenarios, it really helps you in real-time situations. Why? Because whenever if you are trying to build a real-time project, or if you are implementing a project, there you need to use all these scenarios like if conditions, wildcards, whether the file is exist or not. These checks you have to perform. If what we run as expected in upper environment like V and code review team can also review your code and they can provide the valuable suggestion. Here you can see the file is not available, and here we have error pop-up. So bot should not throw any error pop-up. You have to handle by using if conditions or error handling. Coming session we are going to cover error handling. As per our agenda, we are going to cover all these topics and error handling as well. Triggers, commands, image. We are going to cover each and everything, and error handling also we are going to cover as part of our Automation Anywhere A360 agenda. So here it is throwing an error. So what we'll do, we can use wildcard over here to handle the dynamic file name. Sorry, Control A, Control C. Okay, I'll paste it in the notepad and I'll show it to you. Control A. So here I'm going to use wildcard. Then if the document name is let's say interview questions 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever it is, so bot is going to happen dynamically. So let me copy this thing and let me paste it over here. And I'll try to execute this code once again. This is one of the way to handle the file names dynamically or multiple files. And second way we can use the conditions as well. Now the file is opening because the wildcard is going to handle each and everything. Okay, you no need to worry actually. So what I will do, I'll just to oh, to the folder once again, and I'll rename the file name to, and the file name I let's say array 14 something. So 214741. Okay, but still this wildcard can handle the file name dynamically. So let me try to run this code. This is the main advantage of wildcard. So wildcard can handle multiple files or dynamic file name or different extensions as well. And let me know if there's any issues. Please drop a message in the comment section. I'll try to get back to you. And please subscribe. Don't forget to click on bell icon also, so that you know when I upload a new videos or series. So this is also filed successfully. So suppose let me go to here and let me copy this file name. Let me paste it here now. So this time I want to open this specific file only, not all the files. So wildcard is going to consider all the files, right? So here I don't want to open remaining files. So just I want to open this file, but prior to that I want to check whether the file is exist or not. If the file is exist, then only I'll open. If the file does not exist, then it will throw an error. So let me remove this thing and let me try to exit. So I have removed one and I'm trying, so then definitely we will get an error, the file is not available. So to avoid that error pop up, we can use if conditions. File not available. So here we will get some error pop up. So there was a problem at line number 1. The file does not exist. But in real time scenario, the error should not appear. Either you need to handle the error. Here I'll just use if error handling concept we are going to learn in the upcoming session. So if whether the file exists or not, that check we are going to select from in this drop down. So in if conditions also we are going to learn in the upcoming session. If here you can see under file package, file date, file exist or not, file extension, file does not exist, file size. So let me choose file exists. So if that particular file is exists, then only it should try to open that file. So let me drag and drop this command to inside the loop and I'll try to execute this code. The file is available, because of that reason it will just skip that opening file command. But here we will not get any error pop. But so here see the bot runs successfully, bot runs successfully, but there is no file open because that file does not exist. So file does not exist, we are going to utilizing this if condition to avoid error situation. So file, this file is available in that particular location. Let's see, let me try to open this file. The same lines of code I'm trying to execute. See here that what is trying to open the interview questions doc Word document. So this is how we can the scenarios by using conditions, wildcards, and override the file under. Okay. So hope you like this video, guys. So please subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon. Please practice from your end. And if you have any issues, drop me a message in the comment section. I'll try to get back to you. So we have few topics in still we have few topics in the file package. Those are like copy desktop file, copy control room file, get file path, all these things. So please practice all these commands from your end and let me know if you face any issues. So here just you are going to select your specific file and you are going to copy in the destination location. So you can provide the source location along with the file name and destination location if you with the renamed file name, and you can use the same file name, or else you can just the path to copy the file. So please practice this thing and let me know if you face any issues. So print in real time scenarios we are not going to use print multiple files, and create shortcut and symbolic links also we are not going to use in real time scenarios. Please practice copy, rename, and whatever the commands we have covered, assign, delete, create, please try to implement all those scenarios. And let me delete this one. I'll explain get name and get path also. So let me choose control room file. I'll choose any one of the control room file, that is aadll dot utilities. So I have already uploaded one DLL file in my control room, and what I'll just choose sample scene. I'm going to assign the file name. So here what I'm trying to get, I'm trying to get the name of the file, and I have assigned that name to a output variable. So you can assign to the predefined variable, or else you can create a variable from here by click on creating v result, something like that. Okay. So I'll try to display this by using message box F2 and select v result, and let me save this, and I'll run this back thing and we will see the output results of the get file. So please practice. I hope you like this video and you will easily utilize this function in basic functionality. And here you can see the file name. We are able to get the file name. This is how we can use files package. Files package is a one of the important package in Automation Anywhere. Each and every RPA process, only in Automation Anywhere or A360, even in UiPath, Microsoft, or Automate Desktop, Blue Prism, wherever if you go, you need to handle files. Important concepts have covered most of the topics. Please try to practice remaining topics and let me know if you face issues. I'll try to get back to you with the required solution, or else I'll try to make another video on the requested. Okay, thank you.